Are you looking for a way to get more subscribers onto your email list? You have got to check out KingSumo. KingSumo is a fantastic platform to amplify the reach for any sort of a giveaway that you are doing. Today, we're going to dive into this very cool tool that's helped us gain thousands upon thousands of brand new email subscribers. Let's dive in. So if you go to kingsumo.com, you'll see that you can actually grow your email list through viral giveaways, and KingSumo is your partner in crime in getting that done. Easily, you can sign up here. It's actually very cheap. Pay once, get a lifetime deal forever for only $49. I think we did that 2 years ago. We've been using this platform for quite a while. Now, when you go into the platform itself, it's actually very easy to go in there and create that giveaway. So we'll just go through the process here. So title, we'll call it Trip to Turks and Caicos. Okay, give away a trip to Turks and Caicos. Now you can do all sorts of giveaways. Give away an iPad, give away Rod Stewart tickets. There's so many different giveaways that you can do, whether you're a restaurant or whether you're a SaaS company, doesn't matter. You can definitely leverage this to help grow your email list. Description, write something in there. Win a trip, Turks and Caicos. All right, you can start, and you can choose when to start and when to end it. We'll just pick Wednesday the 5th, and we're going to run it until the 6th, okay? Just a quick 24-hour giveaway. Put the awarded time on there so it knows to close the actual contest at that date. Just leave it at that. Who's running this giveaway? You can put a business. You can say whoever you want. We'll just say I'm going to run the giveaway, Jason Hunt, and it could be jhunt.social. All right, so the prize name, you want to give it a name as well because this is what's going to be attached to the landing page of it. So the prize name would be Trip to Turks. We'll say the value is $2,000. And then from there, add your cover image. And again, this is going to be on the unique page for the actual giveaway, which people will see. So we'll just grab this one here, throw it in there. Perfect. Now, contestants must provide, this is entirely up to you in terms of what information you want to gather. I always say the more fields means that less leads will come in, especially if people have to put their phone number, right? So if you want to capture that information, perfectly fine, especially if you're doing any sort of text messaging or things like that as a part of your campaign. But for this here, we'll just do name and email. And this is really cool. So click to select the platforms you want your contestants to use to share your giveaway. And you have the options of X, Facebook, Messenger, LinkedIn, which I'll choose as well, Pinterest, and email. So what that means is a user will have the ability to share the contest to get additional entries into the contest. How cool is that? And it makes it very easy to do it. Now, you can give bonus entries. I can say, yeah, like us on Facebook. And if a user does that, you put in your Facebook URL and you get an additional number of entries into the contest. Okay. Say, what else we got? We got Instagram follow. I love that one as well. Put your Instagram username, jhuntofficial. All right. And let's say we're going to give people 3 entries if they go on over and follow me on Instagram. All right. Something else we can pick, a YouTube subscriber, X follower, podcast subscriber. You also have opportunities for daily entries, watch a YouTube video, click a link, phone number. I like to watch a YouTube video too for extra entries. It's very easy, especially if you have a cool YouTube video you want them to watch. Why not just watch a YouTube video, get them to watch it, click on that link, and they get an extra entry. Podcast subscriber is an awesome one too if you want to grow your podcast. And typically people don't usually do phone number on these giveaways, right? They'll usually submit their email, but who knows, if you say, hey, look, you'll get 10 entries if you provide your phone number, people may do it. All right, so you can integrate with other third-party services as well if you choose to. That is another can of worms that we don't need to get into right now, but as you can see here, you can connect to Zapier if you like, MailChimp, API Key, ConvertKit, Klaviyo, you get the gist. You can enable invisible reCAPTCHA if you want. It's totally up to you, and you have this consent box if you want, if you so choose to use it. Okay. Now, once you create your giveaway, you're going to have, it's going to look something like this. Okay. The giveaway is live. Now, here's the best part, promoting it. So here you have the option easily as the user to promote it on your platforms. Now, if we go to the giveaway page, this is what it looks like here. So very simple. It's a simple page. The giveaway hasn't started yet. Once it starts, people will be eligible to to click it, join in. But this has worked really well. You can put this link into your Instagram bio, put it directly on a Facebook ad, which we've done before. We actually did a giveaway one time and we got leads at 20 cents, and we got probably a couple thousand leads at 20 cents. Do the math. Not a lot of money invested into the paid ad giveaway, but it did very well in terms of generating new email subscribers at a very cheap cost. Now, just to give you an idea on what the dashboard looks like, we've run a lot of these before. Here's one example. We did Chef Dwight's Kokomo giveaway, who's a celebrity chef. He got over 125,000 entries into his contest, 5,200 contestants, meaning most contestants were sharing the contest with others, which is a great way to get that virality, especially through the content that Chef Dwight created here. Now, just go back to this number here to show you what kind of data you can extract here. So you can see here you have all of these emails from the contest, the date they entered. You even get IP address in there as well, and how many times they entered, okay, which is pretty cool. All right, and even you get an X or a check if they confirmed or they haven't confirmed, okay, and you can resend that confirmation as well to confirm that they entered the contest. It's just great to have that transparency with people. All right, so let's say we're ready to award a contest. So what we're going to do is go to ready to award. It is very simple, and it automatically randomly chooses a contestant. In this case here, it was this email address who entered 5 times, confirmed. I can redraw as well. I can continue to redraw as many times as I want until I get a winner that maybe responds. Sometimes if you reach out to a winner, you may not hear back from them. So you can easily go back in there and redraw a winner. And again, that is King Sumo in a nutshell. King Sumo is a fantastic platform for anyone out there who's running giveaways, or maybe you just want to increase your subscriber base. Again, the best use case for this is email subscribers, because you can get them for very cheap. You can leverage this link for paid media. I've went to actual physical events before and had a QR code which people could scan at our booth, and it takes them directly to King Sumo, where they can enter the contest, they get the email, and then they can share it amongst their channels afterwards. Very easy to share a contest and get a lot more eyeballs on that giveaway. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, share, subscribe. See you soon.